Meaning of heavenwards.
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 Heavenwards. Heavenwards is an adverb that refers to something moving or facing towards heaven or the sky, often metaphorically. It can indicate upward progress or aspirations towards a higher goal or spiritual fulfillment. The term is used to describe an upward trajectory, whether it relates to one's own personal growth or the direction of a physical object or entity. The word also carries positive connotations of reaching towards something greater than oneself and striving for excellence. In essence, heavenwards represents a direction of hope and upward mobility.